This has been cleaning. We've been doing some construction around the house. This thing has done a great job. Wow. Wow, it's time to replace it. Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on this HEPA filter, this replacement HEPA filter for the Shark air purifier, model number HC502. So here we have the Shark HEPA filter. It's been about 6 months since I changed it. It did have a bunch of dust on the outside. I blew it off, but I think it is time for it to be changed. So here's the HEPA filter. So this is made by A Little. So let's compare it to the Shark. Okay, I've got them side by side here. Now, this is the Shark one. It's a little bit heavier. This one's a little bit lighter, but we can see we've got that HEPA filtration in the middle. And then we've got active carbon on the outside. And you can hear that active carbon on the Shark. So let's take the A Little, let's go ahead and put it in. It slides right in. We've got a nice tight seal up at the top, at the bottom. Out the cover off, push it on, and now we're ready to go for this air purifier. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.